Good morning, everyone. The show that was put up, amazing. I have been an art teacher since the last 25 years. I retired 6 years back. It took me there, and this event, what we call as an assembly or whatever it is, cultural show. This is like a wedding. Till the show is put up on the stage, there is no rest for the teachers. And we are teachers, we are everywhere. I feel very proud to speak to you people. Thank you so much. Wonderful job. Thank you.
So, frankly, it was a complete delight how the entire show was conducted. I think, it's unbelievable how much the kids have grown from, in pre-primary, they were still small kids, they were being were being helped by the teachers versus today when they were like so independent and confident on the stage, they were managing the stage on their own, they were helping each other out. So, the transition is so beautiful to see, the level of confidence is so amazing to see, and I feel the whole build-up, the way teachers have trained them, the way they have practiced so many times, I think they've not just grown as performers but also as individuals, as friends. I think this is a great learning experience that, they have been through. Thank you so much to the entire Nahar team for making this happen and for giving us this, beautiful experience to see our kids on stage. Thank you.
The performance was wonderful. I think the teachers and all the coordinators, they did a wonderful job. I cannot imagine that class 1 kids, the 6 and 7-year-olds, did such a lovely performance. They have memorized their lines and they were so wonderful on stage, and as a parent, it's a big deal, and I think we have chosen the perfect school for our child. Thank you.
It was amazing to see like 6 to 7-year-old kids perform like this amazing act, and they were flawless. Like every kid, like we are seeing them since EYFS 1, the way they have progressed till like now in grade 1, they have performed beautifully without any help from teachers. They were all by themselves, and the fact that they were helping each other to bring out the best in their friends as well, I think that is something that we all should cherish, and I thank school for bringing that feeling and that sense of responsibility in the kids. So thank you to everyone in the school, teachers, staff, everyone for taking such good care of our kids and bringing out the best in them. Thank you.
It was a treat to watch this show. The little kids, they were so confident, they were beautiful on the stage, they owned the stage. I mean, the little ones, they were helping each other. It was bright, it was beautiful, it was lovely. It was a lovely show. I enjoyed thoroughly. Thank you.
So this is our third year with Nahar. Earlier they were in Bees and Cubs. I have twins, and seeing them grow like this with you all is wonderful. You all are doing a fantastic job with the kids. The confidence that the kids have, the way they are on the stage, the way they are performing is amazing. Thank you for boosting them up, and just keep doing the same with our kids forever. Thank you.
The show was fantastic. You see our kids growing, and 3 cheers to Nahar. Hip hip, hooray, hip hip, hooray, hip hip, hooray.
So our daughter is studying in Nahar in grade 1. I'm Dr. Shivani Aluwalia. And we've seen the efforts that the students have put in. They were absolutely flawless. Their confidence and they supported each other. The teachers put in so much of effort. They did not want to take a single day of a break because they were so happy. The whole, the transition that I've seen in my daughter, when she's so excited for these kind of events, I think the school is doing a wonderful job, and they all enjoyed. And as parents, I think it was lovely to see how the students performed today.
I am Eva's father. So in past 1 year, we have, seen great change in students. So the best thing is that we have good set of teachers. Each grade, there are different teachers, but your students get attached to all the teachers. teachers are taking great efforts and, you know, putting in so much of things. They are bringing changes in kids and they are doing great. Thank you.